Hello students, I am Rajeshri ma'am and today it is the turn of class 7th and I am going to explain a poem from the course book Focus. The name of the poem is Olympic Granny, written by Ken Nesbitt. This is a poem about a granny who is very much high spirited and going to take part in the Olympic Games. The only problem is that she is good in every sports and game, and that is why she is confused that in which sport should she take part in which event she should take part in. But there is a turn in the last stanza which I will talk about later. So let's start with the poem. When grandma goes, this is a funny poem and written in a very light manner. Olympic Granny. When grandma goes for gold in the Olympic Games this year, she will laugh at her competitors and make them quake with fear. Grandma is going to take part in the Olympic Games, and not only that, she is going to win gold medal in it. And she will laugh at her competitors and make them quake with fear. She is so expert in every games that no one will be able to win over her, and she is 99 years old, and there will be many youth, I mean young people take part in the Olympic Games, and they will not be able to win over her, and that is why, and they will tremble with fear, and that is why she will laugh at them. She is 99 years old, but in athletics she has been blessed. The trouble is she can't decide which sport she plays the best. She is 99 years old, but only and she is blessed in athletics, but only a problem is with her that she is confused that in which sport she plays the best. She is such an ace at archery. She is queen of the canoe. She is tough to top at taekwondo and table tennis too. She is ace at archery. That means she is topmost in the archery, and she is queen of the canoe. Canoe is a kind of boat. She is tough to top at taekwondo, and she is the topper in the taekwondo. Taekwondo is a Korean martial art, and also in table tennis she is the topper. She dominates the diving board. She trumps the trampoline. At lifting weights and wrestling, she is the best you have ever seen. She dominates the diving board. Diving board is a board on the swimming pool from where the contestants jump into the water in the swimming pool. She trumps the trampoline. Trampoline is a round structure on which a strong fabric is attached with it with the help of various springs. And children love to jump over it, and the gymnasts do their practice on it. At lifting weights, she trumps the trampoline. That means she jumps over the trampoline. At lifting weights and wrestling, she is the best you have ever seen. And in lifting weights and wrestling, she is also the best. She speeds across the swimming pool to slake the summer heat on BMX and mountain bike. She simply can't be beat. And in the summer heat, she goes to the swimming pool and do the swimming and swim there in a high speed. On BMX is a kind of bicycle which is ridden on the mountain, and mountain bike is also, she is in these two things, she is also unbeatable. She is highest in the high jump and a champ at hammer throwing, magnificent in marathons, remarkable at rowing. And she is highest in the high jump and hammer throwing. Hammer throwing is a sport in which a hammer is hurled to a prescribed distance by an athlete. She is also champion in hammer throwing, magnificent in marathons. The marathon is a long race, and she is magnificent in it and remarkable at rowing. Rowing is a kind of boating. She beats the best at boxing At the pole vault, she is fearless. Her fencing is the finest. She is positively fearless, and she beats the best at boxing. In boxing she is also best, and pole vault she is fearless. That means matchless. She has no match in it. Pole vault is a game in which there is a pole or a stick, and the contestant get the support of the pole and jumps a certain distance. Her fencing is the finest. She is positively fearless. Fencing is a sword game, and in which she is the finest and fearless. She is masterful at basketball. She truly rules the court and equally incredible at every other sport. She has mastery over basketball, and she truly rules the court and equally incredible. Incredible means amazing, wonderful. She is wonderful in every other sport. And what we find astonishing and something of a shocker is how she wins all contests with her wheelchair and her walker. And there is the turn, and the poet also is also very much astonished or amazed to see that the grandma actually walks with her walker and with wheelchair and her, or either with wheelchair or her walker. And so it seems that the grandma is very much high spirited, and she thinks she will be able to do all these things in the Olympic games, but she is actually with her wheelchair and her walker. So this is a simple poem, and let's have a quick look at the questions. In which sporting competition is grandma going to participate this year? Simply, the grandma is going to take part in the Olympic Games this year. Number 2, explain these lines from the poem. She will laugh at her competitors and make them quake with fear. She will laugh at her competitors. The grandma is going to take part in the Olympic Games, and there will be many young people there, but no one will be able to win over grandma, who is 99 years old, and that is why she will laugh at them, make fun of them, and the competitors will tremble with fear of grandma. Name any 4 sports in which grandma excels. There are innumerable names of sports and games here, so you can write them. What does the speaker find astonishing? The speaker finds astonishing that the grandma is actually with her wheelchair and her walker. And how will she be able to win in the Olympic Games? Tick the words that you use to describe grandma. Helpless, no. Strong, yes. Sporting, yes. Unhappy, no. Agile, yes. Fabulous, yes. Youthful, yes. Afraid, no. Brave, yes. So this is all for today, and if you have any question, then you can ask me in the comment section. I always say this, please do this, students, so that I can understand what is your problem actually. So till then, bye.